Magandang umaga. So ngayong araw na to mamamasyal tayo sa Stadhagen. Tara mga lalabs. Nakapunta na tayo dito dati pero i-view ko pa rin kayo saglit kasi ang ganda ng place. Napakasarap pagmasdan yung aking mag-ama na ganito sila yung hinahabol-habol, sinusundan-sundan yung ating little foreigner kung saan siya pumupunta.
Ang sarap mamasyal kasi maganda yung weather natin for today at saka kumpleto kami ngayon. So dati-rati kasi hindi sumasama sa amin si Kuya Big Boy dahil sabi niya lang Bailig daw yung pinupuntahan namin, pero hindi niya kasi alam na nag-enjoy yung kanyang little brother. Ayun tingnan nyo ando na naman sila It's a nice time to make a memories again mga lalabs. They are taking pictures. Mag-ama. Ay, naku po. Ang ganda ng mga bulaklak pag ganitong summer. Diba, Ayan, ang ganda, May pa-fountain ang mayor dito. Ganda ng nila, garden. So this is the second time we come here. Also, if you are tired walking around, there's a place also that you can go for drinks, and I think they offer some food also in that building. So, ayan ang ating little foreigner. Yes! You're enjoying, right? Wow! You're not baby anymore. You're a big boy now, okay? Oh, clever! Pagod na siya. Kaganina pa siyang nagja-jump. Naku po. Look at him. He's very red. Look your face. Very red. Oh. Yeah? You're so red. Na? Oh, you're picking flower. The politsay will come. Thank you. Itong anak ko mga lalabs, mahilig mag-pick ng flowers, tapos binibigay niya lagi sa akin. So, ayan ang ating big brother. Ginok na anak ko. Ginok. Don't. Yeah, I know. Don't pick up flowers. They will be angry with us. So, ayan. Ang ganda dito sa park na to kasi maluwag. At saka, maganda kapag may bata. Pero, today kasi is weekend. So, ewan ko lang. Maybe some people go somewhere. Like in our town, we have event in our town. Wow! You like hiding and seek, na? Ayan. Talon-talon yung ating little foreigner. That?
How close it? How close it?
No, you cannot close. It's just like a book, but it's not. They just like a statue. I don't know how to say that. So until next time, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.